down there is the mark and the pointer, and we have it close by bumping the engine around. Now I have it in 4th gear, and I'm just kind of pushing the car back and forth. I want it about there, so about a 1/2 inch before top dead center. So we have a test light. We have it grounded on that side. This side's going to touch the terminal out here. We're going to turn the timing adjustment knob that's on the end of the vacuum advance until the light comes on. Bing! There we go. So that's the static timing setting. This should get us started, and it should allow the engine to run at least.